How to change Instagram password if forgotten old password. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can reset your Instagram password. It's really easy. Let's get into it. You will simply open up Instagram on your mobile phone, and of course you will get right here where you have to log in. So we can log in with our username, email, and phone number, and then we have password. But the problem is that we have actually forgotten our password. So it's really easy. You can see that we have these two options right here, and then we get this option, get help logging in. So I'm going to click right here, and after that you will actually have to find your account, because we need to actually verify that this is our account we want to reset password for. So you just remember your email, phone number, username, anything, you will just type it right here. So this is my account. Okay, yes, this is the account that I'm looking for. And now we have to click on send an email. And you can see right here, they will send you an email to your email address that you have added with your Instagram. So you're going to click on OK and get your code from there. So I have opened up the email right here. You can see it's from Instagram and I have my code right here. But you can see login without password or reset your password. So we want to actually reset our password. So you'll click right here on reset your password, and then we'll move to Instagram. Perfect. And now we have to enter a new password. Click on and enter it again and click on reset password. Once you reset your password, and there you go, you can see I have logged into my Instagram, and now I will be using my new password. So this is how you can also go ahead and reset your Instagram password if forgotten. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.